don't you mess with the people that was the closest to you anymore?
Because that's none of your business? Stop trying to make people feel bad for cutting people out of their life that was toxic to them. Don't ask them why they don't talk to their mom, their dad, their sister, their brother. First of all, it's none of your business. Why are you so concerned getting into somebody else's life? Mind yours. You don't know the type of relationship these people had with that person in their life. You don't know the shit that they had to grow up with, deal with, endure. And they just dealt with it because it was family or a close friend. When you are growing in life, you have to let the toxic shit go. And that applies to certain things like jobs. Like, if a job is no longer serving its purpose to you, leave. Like, literally, I did that. I've been at my job 12 years. And I left. Because it was just too much. It was toxic. So I left. If you outgrow people, places, and things, leave it. And people, stop telling someone, oh, you're bitter. You're holding a grudge. You're stubborn. Mind your fucking business. Like, someone is doing the right thing for themselves and you're trying to make them feel bad for doing it? Let me tell you something, it's courage, it's bravery to cut those people, places, and things out of your life. And you're going to make someone who felt good about doing it feel shitty for doing so? Let me tell you something, if you have toxic ass people in your life and you want to deal with them, that's your business. But don't make somebody feel bad for cutting people. Let me tell you something. I don't have a problem anymore to cut individuals out of my life that I feel like mean me no well because I'm growing. I am not a stagnant individual. If I feel like you're holding me back and bringing negativity into my life, why are you here? Be gone! So my message today to you is if something no longer serves its purpose to you, let it go. Be free. It is okay. Don't feel bad about doing it because I'm telling you, you will thank yourself for it later. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And thank you so much for watching once again. And have a great weekend. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Until next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.